In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from your spot account to your funding account on Bitget. This process involves navigating through the Bitget interface to ensure your assets are in the correct location for trading or other uses. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface with options for trading, markets, and your wallet. Your wallet ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent any interruptions during this process. Next, locate and click on the wallet option, which is typically found in the top navigation menu. This will redirect you to your wallet overview where you can manage your various cryptocurrency assets. After this action, the wallet overview screen should appear, displaying your balances across different accounts. Once you are on the wallet overview page, click on the spot tab. This section allows you to view the assets held in your spot account. After selecting spot, you should see a list of cryptocurrencies available in your account, including USDT. After that, click on the spot account option, which will take you to a more detailed view of your spot assets. Here, you will be able to find USDT. Look for the section labeled crypto to proceed. This section will show you various cryptocurrencies, including USDT, allowing for easy transfer. Type USDT into the search bar to quickly locate your USDT holdings. After entering the text, the interface will filter the results, displaying USDT prominently. This makes it easier to select the correct asset for transfer. When you see USDT listed, click on it to bring up more options related to this cryptocurrency. This action will provide you with specific details about your USDT holdings. After this, look for the three dots icon, which typically indicates more options. Clicking on the three dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the transfer option. This is a crucial step where you will initiate the transfer process from your spot account to your funding account. After selecting transfer, you will be prompted to choose the source of the transfer. Click on the From section and select Spot. This action specifies that you will transfer funds from your spot account. Next, navigate to the To section and click on it. Here, you will need to select the destination account for your transfer. Choose USDT and futures to direct your USDT to the appropriate funding account. Following this, click on Select a Coin to finalize your transfer destination. A list of available coins will appear. Select USDT, again to confirm the coin you wish to transfer. After confirming your coin selection, you will be prompted to enter the transfer amount. Click on the transfer amount field to input how much USDT you wish to move. Make sure to check your available balance to avoid errors during this step. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Available button. This action will automatically populate the transfer amount field with the maximum amount of USDT you can move. This is important to ensure you do not exceed your available balance. Button to complete the transfer process. A confirmation screen will appear indicating that your transfer is being processed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a moment, so be patient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.